to fix WhatsApp app service is operating normally. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your WhatsApp service is operating normally. If you are seeing a message like WhatsApp service is operating normally on your WhatsApp, but you are still experiencing the issues, here are some steps you can try to resolve the common problems. First step is that you have to check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data enabled on your device. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Sometimes a simple restart also can solve the temporary glitches. You can restart your device by holding up the power button and go for the reboot or restart option according to your device. On the third step, you have to make sure that on your device you have the latest version of the WhatsApp app. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and check for the update. Just go for the search bar and write the WhatsApp here. Once you are here you can see the update option. Just tap on the update option to download the latest version of your WhatsApp on your device. After completing that, you can go to your setting, and once you are on your setting, scroll down and go to your app or app management. And here you can simply go for the search bar or scroll down and search for the WhatsApp here. Once you have searched for the WhatsApp, here you have to clear the cache on your Android device. Just tap on the clear data or manage the storage according to your device preference. And just go for the clear cache here. So clear cache. So which also help with the performance issues. If you go for the clear data, it will clear your all data with your WhatsApp and you have to re-log in on your WhatsApp. Also, you can uninstall the WhatsApp and then reinstall in your device. Make sure to back up your chat first if you want to keep them. Also, you have to check your permission on your WhatsApp. Ensure that the WhatsApp have the necessary permission like contact, storage, etc. on your device. Here you can see that. Also, if you are using the VPN on your device, you have to simply disconnect the VPN. So disabling the VPN also can solve these issues. By following this step, you should be able to resolve most common issues with your WhatsApp. If none of these steps work, just go and open up your WhatsApp, tap on the three line, go for your setting, and scroll down and go for the help here. Once you are on your help center, just go for the help center and tap on the contact us option. Once you have tapped on the contact us option, just go for the account option here, and here you have to choose your request. And also you can search it here. So you can simply contact to your WhatsApp support. With this step, you should be able to resolve this issue. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.